Hello everybody. Today I have the honor of presenting this year's Co-op Supervisor of the Year. This year's supervisor comes from the company L3 Harris. L3 Harris is a multi-billion-dollar corporation with specialties in air, land, sea, space, and cyber. We have around 50,000 employees spread around 100 different countries. I personally work in the Aviation Department. I'm a test engineering in the Avionics division. I test, build, and update test equipment that tests the products that we sell through L3 Harris. This year's Co-op Supervisor of the Year and my personal supervisor is Andy DeRosia. Andy DeRosia has a way of creating a family within the division. Everyone in the department gets along with each other very well. And that includes new co-ops like myself. New interns, new people are immediately felt as if we're part of the team. I never felt alienated or, oh, look at this, he's the new guy. Almost from day one, I have been part of the projects. Seniors have come to my cubicle telling me, hey, how's it going? What do you need to get done? Here's some things, let's move forward. Tell us what you need to hit the ground running and we'll get you there. Which leads to they're always available to help, not just Andy, but everyone else, but especially Andy too. Like if he doesn't know the answer, he'll tell you who to talk to, how to talk to him, and how to get results continuously throughout the entire process. I've worked for L3 Harris for almost 2 years now, actually just a little over. And the one thing that got me is just the amount of trust he gives his interns and the trust he gives his employees. He says, hey, I know what you're capable of. Go ahead and run with it and let's see what's going on. And then you're given the opportunity to have these great experiences and work on these great projects and just kind of show the world what you got. And it's really nice and it's inspiring. And Andy's worked hard, and it's a great environment to be in. And a lot of that is just thanks to Andy and how he runs his department. So I asked Andy some questions. Unfortunately, he couldn't be here, but he left some recordings for us and I left some questions. So here's some insights from Andy.
We choose to go with the GVSU co-op program because we like the commitment between industry and GVSU of 3 full-time working semesters. This allows the students to become more well-versed in our processes and programs. The students gain much more experience and it allows us to rely on them for longer-term projects and more in-depth tasks. Another benefit of GVSU is its close proximity to our corporation. This allows the students to work part-time when in between co-op rotations. And finally, I am personally a graduate of the GVSU engineering program and know firsthand what a great program it is and how well they prepare their students. I believe a good supervisor is someone who provides guidance and advice, but also allows the co-op student to take ownership of their work. I believe it is important to foster an environment that allows the students to feel comfortable and open to express their ideas. My advice for new co-op supervisors or companies would be to take the time to invest in the students, and you would be amazed at the great rewards it provides. Students are inquisitive, eager to learn, and very hardworking, and they often provide a fresh perspective to help generate new ideas. One piece of advice that I would offer would be to respect your staff and invest in your relationships with your coworkers. There will always be hurdles at work to overcome, but if you work with a great team who respects each other, it makes overcoming those obstacles much more achievable and provides a positive, energetic work environment.
So in short, I just want to thank Andy and his team and thank Grand Valley for the opportunity to have the co-op program and give me that edge up and to go into the workforce with the experiences that I have, working on the projects that I've worked on, and just ultimately just having a great experience overall. Thank you, and have a great year.